What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Bit Crypto here. Now, Cronos, the Crow coin. We've been talking about it, and you guys have been loving the videos. Is the rally over? That's the question I've been having in my DMs today. What's going on with Cronos? Is there more to come? Well, get ready, because I'm going to take you through the next 6 or 7 minutes talking exactly why this is a perfect opportunity if you were looking to get in or still DCAing your bags down. As ever, if you enjoy this sort of content, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel. We are going for 20k by the end of the year. With that being said, let's take a look and see exactly what's going on with Cronos, or the Crow coin. So currently trading around that 9-8 cents mark. We did see a 12.6 earlier on as the market was pumping. Now we have seen a pullback in the market. Bitcoin struggling to hold on to about 37k. The Asian markets will probably just about have opened as you guys see this video, and we could, I think, see a further confirmation that we're going to get some more bullish movement this week. So 58 million is the volume, down about 48%, and currently at $2.497 billion market cap. So all things are good. All things still feel very, very positive for Cronos. Now we'll look at the actual intricacies of the chart in just a second. However, when we take a look fundamentally at what's going on chain, we can see there 364 million of locked value. Now, a lot of people say, okay, Tubit, why does it matter? Okay, why do you keep talking about locked value? This is fundamentally the use of the chain. How many people are using the Cronos ecosystem? How many people are involved with it? And ultimately, bear that in mind, if you've got people using it, then generally speaking, the price is going to go up. People are going to want to get into it. There is a reason to operate on it. If you've been watching my channel for a while, Terra Luna Classic has been a big part of it. Ultimately, that's the problem we have there. We have about 3.6 million locked up, but here on Cronos, 365 million, that is going up as well. What you can see on the chart there is the volume that we've got, which is the green line, and the TVL, which is the blue line. So it gives you a level of perspective. You may be thinking, Tubit, I still don't really understand what you get. Back here, 2022, we were seeing huge amounts of interest in Cronos, NFT projects, new tokens coming out, really a huge amount of TVL, over $3 billion, and it's just started to tick up on this side. And that's the kind of big thing with Cronos, and this is the bit where I want to talk about is how much more is in this, whether that be DeFi projects, whether that be finance. We know VVS and Tectonic both having a fantastic rate. Look at this on the 7-day, 28% up in terms of TVL, money flowing into the Cronos ecosystem. That is important, because if money's in, money will stay, and ultimately money attracts more money. So very good news if you ask me, and particularly when you look at the macro side of things, more and more people are getting in, and there is a gigantic list, and it's all green, of things on the Cronos ecosystem and people using this network. So I think all in all, from that perspective, from the value locked up, it is very good news. Now, one of the things I talked about in my previous video, which was yesterday, go and check it out if you haven't already, Cronos or crypto.com do a very good job of being that gateway into the cryptocurrency, being the first people to bring you things to market. And again, we can see there, Alex Pereira, just the UFC champion. What's interesting, I'm not particularly showing you the actual fight itself, but more importantly, the jersey that he's wearing, Crypto.com. This will be everywhere. It's headline news. And again, this is where Crypto.com absolutely make a name for themselves. I dare say that tomorrow, if you want to see some more update videos like this, smash the like button. We will see an increase in the TVL because people will be getting into Crypto.com. People will be coming to that gateway, whether that's staking their Crow, buying their first cryptocurrency, whatever it's going to be, then they will be coming across for things like this. Advertisements being put in the place, whether that's sporting events, we know they were at the F1, and then continuing to build this platform out. And I think this is where it becomes very interesting, and equally where I think a lot of people are getting excited about Crow. It feels like the 2021 bull run is on its way back. It feels like Crypto.com and the Cronos ecosystem will be at the forefront of this movement. So when we take a look at the price, and a lot of people will be messaging me saying, Tubit, you missed it. Here is the push down. It's absolutely normal. It's completely normal, and we get this all the time. What we don't want to see are these indicators here. So this is the short term, the 20-day EMA, and this is the 50-day EMA. Now remember, if we get the red line crossing down under these longer term players, that is a bearish movement, a bearish divergence. What we want to see is probably this consolidation around this 9.7 level before we see a push up, and the rest of these indicators continue to push. This would show us a positive indicator on the market. The other thing to be mindful of is these big wicks here. So big wicks generally mean a reversal in the market is coming, and now we've had a couple of big wicks on this. So could we be about to see this flatten out and start to move back up? Volume is in the same sort of trend, and I guess it's going to be very interesting what happens with CRO. But this is normal. Bearing in mind, we have a long way to go until we're heading up towards that 95, 97 cents all-time highs. But is this week about to be a big one for not only cryptocurrency, but CRO coin as well? I truly think we could be in for a very interesting move. Bitcoin looks like it's trying to break out right now, and let's see what happens when the Asian markets open very, very soon. The good news is we didn't dump over the weekend, and that can only be a positive. Hey, we could even see an ETF coming this week. Let me know what you think in the comments down below as ever. And don't forget to subscribe and smash a like if you want to see more Cronos videos on this channel. As ever, thank you so much, everybody, for tuning in. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.